Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming your TV actually supports Bluetooth and by enabling it. Many smart TVs hide this under settings right arrow connections. Once done, put your headphones or speaker into pairing mode so the TV can discover it. You should make sure the device is charged and within a few meters to prevent dropouts, and temporarily disable other nearby Bluetooth gadgets to reduce interference. You're now ready to move into the TV menus to find and connect the device. You'll navigate into your TV's Bluetooth or accessory menu. Many TVs place this under Sound, Accessories, or Network. Once there, choose the option to scan for devices and watch for the exact product name to appear. Don't select a generic listing unless you're sure. After selecting it, follow on-screen prompts. Some TVs ask to confirm a PIN or pairing code. If pairing stalls, cancel and retry the scan. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth off and back on resolves discovery issue. You'll finish by confirming the TV's audio output is set to the newly paired Bluetooth device, so sound actually plays through it. Once connected, adjust volume on both the TV and the Bluetooth unit to find a clean level. Muted or low volume settings on either end will seem like a connection problem. If audio lags, drops, or won't connect, restart the TV and the Bluetooth device, remove the pairing entry, and pair again. This simple reset fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.